Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a double unboxing from Chanel. I'm super excited. One item is a bag and another item is a smaller piece, which you will see very soon. As I mentioned in my previous video, it was the Dior unboxing. If you haven't watched it, make sure to click here or in my description box to watch it as well. But I mentioned that March is gonna be full of unboxings. So here we go. It's a part 2 of my crazy shopping adventures. Crazy purchases of the month after lockdown. I'm super excited, so let's begin. And before I get into the video, my name is Aika. If you're new here, if you don't know me, hello. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxings, so if you're interested in any of these topics, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Just hit the red button down below and also turn on the bell to be notified every time I post something new. And you can also follow me on Instagram. It's at BonjourAika. With that said, let's finally dive in. And I have this bag and we've got 2 pieces inside. My very last Chanel piece that I bought was, I guess, in June, end of June, and it was sales, and I bought a pair of shoes, maybe 2 pairs of shoes, and also some costume jewelry. But the bigger purchase from Chanel was almost a year ago. It was beginning of May, after lockdown again. You know, things happen in Chanel after lockdowns. And I bought my trendy CC. Let's open this cutie. It is so cute. You probably know what this is. It's a SLG piece and I'm so excited. I haven't bought an SLG from Chanel for about 2 years now, I think. So I am really excited. You know, I'm not a huge fan of SLGs in general. I don't need that many to fulfill my needs, let's say. But this little guy, he really just stole my heart because it's so beautiful. And we've got the classic black pouch in here, and the item that I bought, it's something from the new collection, and I'm like, whoa! So excited. It was the only piece in the store and I had to get it. Ta-da! It's this beautiful card holder and it's so shiny and it just sparkles so much. It's so beautiful. It's in this beautiful like champagne gold color, I guess. I don't know what this is and I'm not sure what the coating is, but it's almost glittery shiny. It's so pretty and the leather is so soft. Oh my god, Chanel's card holders are honestly the next level. I have a Dior card holder right now that I use and that I have been using for many years. I think it's time to switch. Yes, it's finally time. It has this champagne gold hardware. Is it focused? I think so, yeah. So champagne gold hardware. The color is just stunning. I am not sure how my camera shows it to you guys, but I will try to film additional mod shots for you of this little piece so you can really see the true color, but it's beautiful. And I was surprised that it has a lot of compartments inside. So there is one over here, right, and then there are 2 at the back, which is quite cool, and then there is one in the middle, and here is the authenticity cards, and it's already series 30. How crazy. I think the last one I bought from Chanel, another one of my card holders, is series, I don't even know, like 25, 27. It's made in Italy. There is some papers inside still. Yes, as I said, it was true love from the first sight. When I saw it, I'm like, oh yes, I need it, please give it to me. And then she checked in the system my essay, and yes, it was the only piece they had available, the last one. So I had to get it. The card holder was 380, and I guess this is the only piece of SLG that you can get for such a price. It is still expensive. You can get a wallet from Saint Laurent for this price, but it's Chanel, right? So I was thinking about getting a smaller wallet in the same color. They still had some, but you know, I don't like wallets and I wouldn't use one. So I had to go for a card holder. yeah, it's something that I'm used to. And here is the second piece. I don't know why she put this cloth thingy in the front, because it really covers everything, the whole box, and it doesn't look pretty at all. I wish she put it at the back. But there we go. It has the ribbon and the camellia in front. And again, another piece that I haven't bought in a long time. I'm super excited. It's a bag. And let me unwrap it. It is so beautiful. There we go. So yes, here it is, the booklet. I think it's the care booklet and the little cloth over here. And usually they come in some plastic covers. This time it didn't. Whatever. And here is the box and the wrapping, all black inside as always. It is so pretty. Okay guys, are you ready? Let's do it. Here with the camera. Ta-da! Wow, it is so pretty. Here's the bag. Ah! What do you guys think? It is so beautiful. And here is the dust bag. This is a classic bag, dust bag. You usually get these dust bags with classic flaps, but it came with a reissue, although it's mini. With regular mini, you don't get such dust bags, but with a reissue, you certainly do, and it's so cool. Okay, I'll leave it inside. Let's put the box down and get back to this beauty. How gorgeous is she? This bag is truly so beautiful. This is a reissue mini and it's in this beautiful champagne gold color. Pretty similar to the card holder, but still the shade is slightly different. This was actually a part of a winter collection, so it's 20A. I think it's still available just because we were in lockdown for such a long time, or maybe this was an order for someone and then the person decided not to buy it. I have no idea why they still had this bag in stock. And I know gold bags are super in trend right now. They're so popular and they get sold out so fast. So we were looking for something in gold. I was checking with my other essay in a different Chanel boutique. Nothing, no luck at all. And then I decided to pass by the main store because I saw some cute pieces from the new collection. I wanted to check them out in person, and I was also looking for ballerinas. They didn't fit me, as you can tell. There are no ballerinas in this unboxing. And I saw this bag, it was just sitting there on the shelf and I grabbed it and I never let it go. So here we are, but it's gorgeous. Okay, the lock, we opened the bag. It's the same inside as it is outside. It is just beautiful. It still has some stickers on it. This is what the bag looks like inside. Here is the authenticity card. It is still wrapped. Do we want to open it? No, but it's also series 30, so it's the same as the card holder, but the card holder is still more recent. It's like from the very current collection that was out in March, and this is a winter 2020-2021. It's pretty simple inside, just like the regular mini bag. There is one pocket over here where you can store your cards or maybe a card holder. Let's try and fit the card holder inside. And it fits, it's right there, can you see? So yeah, you can store your card holder in there, and then there is a zip pocket over here. It has this beautiful chain. Yeah, I was really impressed by the chain. It is stunning, and it's not really round, it's super flat, so it's not supposed to dig into the skin, where with round this might happen. And you can wear it on your shoulder, crossbody. I really love the length of the shoulder strap. It sits perfectly where it's supposed to sit, or you can wear it like this on your shoulder and it looks beautiful. What do you guys think? It's such a stunning bag and it's such a stunning color, and oh, it's just gorgeous. I'm not sure what this leather is. It could be calfskin. It's I'm pretty sure it's not lambskin because it feels more durable, but who knows. And it's this treated leather. There are a lot of creases all over the bag, but it's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to look a little bit creased and sort of even cracked, but it looks beautiful in this brushed gold color. And I love that it's not gold from the new collection. There is a gold mini bag with a top handle in caviar leather. I'm not a fan of that gold, to be honest, in bags, because I think it looks too flashy and too tacky for me personally, whereas this one is just so sort of understated but still so beautiful, and you can easily style it with everything, wear it all year round. And fun fact, I honestly didn't know that, but mini reissue is actually a little bit bigger than a rectangular mini, like the regular mini flap, by 3.5 centimeters. So the mini one, the regular one, is about this size, whereas the reissue is a little bit bigger. Yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!